The land-to-house ram pump is an off-grid water pump that does not need fuel or electricity, only flowing falling water. Let me show you how this pump is installed and how it operates. Place a screen over the drive pipe or supply pipe to keep debris out. The drive pipe can be PVC or poly pipe. Make sure it's the same size as your ram pump. Place it in the water, put some rocks on it to make sure it stays in place. The drive pipe or supply line needs to be air-free, so make sure you have removed all of the air from the system by starting a siphon. Install the optional land-to-house silt filter bucket for an air-free water source. Connect the drive pipe to the bucket using PVC or poly pipe. You can strap the pump to a board to hold it upright. Connect the pump to the drive pipe. Open the drive pipe valve. Hold the valve open to make sure all the air has been purged out. The delivery pipe can be garden hose, PVC, or poly pipe. The delivery pipe goes uphill. To start the ram pump, open up your delivery pipe. That's going to send water through the system, matching the source water. And now I have to press this waste valve multiple times until water begins to fill up that delivery pipe. Once it's reached a height that produces enough back pressure, the pump will start working on its own. This could take anywhere from 10 pushes manual until about 100. So just sit here, be patient, and slowly start filling up that delivery pipe. As the pump gets close to being able to operate on its own, you'll notice that the valve gets lighter and lighter and easier to push down. There'll come a point where the pump will start to operate on its own. It's quite exciting when that happens. Now from the pump, you can follow your delivery pipe up the hill to see where the water is coming out. Here's the water out of the delivery pipe. You can see it's not a huge flow, but over a 24-hour period, that is a lot of water. The drop from this point right here down to the pump, which is located right here, is lifting water up 15 feet to this point right here. A few things to consider when working with the ram pump. It needs flowing falling water to operate, which means lakes and flat rivers and well water is not going to work. The minimum input head pressure or drop is 2.5 feet. Maximum is 25 feet. On the lift side, minimum of 10 feet lift all the way up to 180 feet. So for every 1 foot of additional head pressure falling into the pump, you can expect 7 more feet of lift out. Now, there are 4 different sizes available: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1.25 inch. The 1/2 inch needs 2 gallons per minute of water to operate. The 3/4 inch needs 4 gallons per minute. The 1 inch needs 6 gallons per minute, and the 1.25 inch needs 8 gallons per minute to operate. The delivery side, you can expect up to 300 gallons a day on the 1/2 inch. The 3/4 inch, you can expect about 600 gallons a day. The 1 inch, you can expect about 1,000 gallons a day. And the 1.25 inch, you can expect almost 1,400 gallons a day of output in an ideal situation. Hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching.